Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can write a document summary using DeepSeek. So if you have a long document or a lengthy document and you'd like to get a summary of it, then you can simply do it using DeepSeek. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now I have here a document. It is a 3-page document. I'd like to go ahead and summarize this document into point format or in 1 or 2 paragraphs. To do it, it is quite simple. Let me show you how you can do it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to DeepSeek. Then using this file icon, tap on it. And here we can upload any document in any format, whether it is in a Word document or PDF document, you can upload it. Now I'll go ahead and look for my document. It is under downloads. And then I'll scroll down and then select my document and then tap on open. Then it will be uploaded on DeepSeek, and here you have to be patient until the upload is done. And here it is done. Once it is done, we are going to ask DeepSeek to summarize for us this document in any format or in any style that we so wish. Now I've just asked DeepSeek write a summary of the document in point format. So DeepSeek will go ahead and read through the document and then write for us the summary, and it should be in point format. Let's see if it will follow that instruction. So I'll go ahead and tap on generate, and then the generation will begin. And then immediately DeepSeek will go ahead and begin the extraction and then summarize the whole document and give us the summary in the point format just as I requested. And look at that. This is so great. The 3-page document now has been summarized into 7 points, and if you go through, you realize that it is quite detailed. It went on point, and now this whole document here has been presented in point format through this. From here now you can proceed and copy the document or the summary and then go ahead and paste it wherever you want. So that's how you summarize your document using DeepSeek. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, please like it and also subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.